Let's find the diameter of a binary tree. We're given the root of a binary tree and we need to return the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is defined by the longest path in edges between two nodes in a tree. In this example here, we have this tree and the diameter here would be 3 because you can make the longest path of length 3, which goes from 4 to 2 to 1 to 3. So it's 1, 2, 3 edges. Or you can also start from 5 and you get the same amount. So 1, 2, 3 edges. These are the companies that asked the question. So let's start with the intuition. You'll want to know that the diameter at a node can be calculated by the height of the left subtree plus the height of the right subtree. And you can verify that here. We have the height of the left subtree being 2 because we got 1, 2, and the height of the right subtree being 1, so 1. So we just add those together. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we're going to write a recursive DFS type solution to find the height first. Now I believe this height function is kind of important, so you might want to just remember it because it does apply to some other problems as well. Start off by making the height function, take in the root, and for the base case, as always, it's going to be if not root, then return. But this time we don't want to just return, we want to return 0, and you'll see why later. Next, we'll make variables for the left and right heights. So left height equals height of root.left and right height equals height of root.right. Lastly, to calculate the height, we need to return 1 plus the maximum of the left height and the right height. The 1 plus is like when we're done with one node and we go up, we do want to add 1 because it's like we're counting one edge when we go up. And the max of left height and right height, because to get the height of a node, we want basically the longest path from the current node to any leaf node. So now we've written a function to get the height at a node. But remember, we're solving for the diameter here. So I'm going to make a global variable outside of this function, self.diameter, and set that equal to 0. And after the left height and right height has been calculated, I just want to put one line here that says self.diameter equals left height plus right height. And I want to keep the maximum in this variable because the diameter is the longest path between any two nodes. So I'll also do max here of self.diameter. In the end, I can do height of root and then return self.diameter. So since this is DFS, the time and space complexity are both O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the tree, since we're using DFS to traverse all the nodes in the tree in order to get the diameter.